Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The ideal temperature for a fridge-freezer combo is 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius, for the fridge and 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, for the freezer. These settings ensure that your food remains fresh and safe to eat. Regularly check and adjust the thermostat to maintain these temperatures, and make sure the doors are sealed properly to avoid temperature fluctuations.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.